Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you all how to make Fortnite thumbnails on Android or iOS. So the first thing you need to do is go to your app store, wherever that might be, and type in PixArt. Oh, I said PoxArt. Alright, so once you type in PixArt, you're going to need to download it. So pause the video while it's downloading and then press play. Alright, I'm assuming all of y'all have downloaded it. So first you're going to make an account. So pause the video, make an account, then press play. Alright, I'm assuming all of y'all have made an account. So you're going to hit the plus at the bottom middle. And then go to your gallery. And first you're going to need to download some Fortnite background. So I chose this one. So you're going to click on it. And then go to effects. And then go to blur, click blur, and then make the blur at 6 or 7, 6 or 7. I'm gonna have it at 7. So once it's at 7 or 6, you're gonna hit apply. You're gonna go to sticker. You're gonna type in Fortnite, and you're gonna find one that looks good to you. So you can actually add your own from like Blender or SFM onto here, but I'm just gonna use one that's free to use. Most of these are. So you're gonna click I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna make it pretty big, and as y'all can see, the lighting is pretty bad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna center that. I'm gonna click on it, click effects, and then go to FX, and then hit HDR, and then make the blur at 990. Actually, make the blur at 100. Make the unsharp at 63. Sorry, and then make the saturation about whatever looks good to you. That looks good to me. And then make the fade 0. And then click apply. So that looks better. And then if you scroll down in Fortnite, you can find these like overlays that you can put on yours, or just any sort of effects that look good to you. I don't know if I can demonstrate it. I'll have to find it. Like that overlay right there. You can use that. So I'm going to actually click on that. And I'm going to stretch it out and make it about the size of the screen. Alright, actually, I'm going to go down a little bit. Alright, that looks good. So you're going to hit apply. And then hit next. Then hit save, and then hit download photo. Alright guys, it saved my photos. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I hope y'all found it helpful. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.